When you saw her Asante Kotoko news official, we go to new Asante Kotoko striker Mateus, I free Brazil. Ni go to Oshishe, ni be na when go to Oceano. So when you made him bit man subscribe it. Now I like a page, no I see page, so now when the Okoso say Asante Kotoko, so say no. I'm not for new Brazilian striker biaba. I have friend Mateus. Nti washa say so born no abrante na 26 years you 97 nti oshane boy so be Brazil akona nam Europe ni Asia South Korea abobo matches ni bia nti ne ho goals na one goals awhwe fantastic goals ne the skills and then the header and one goes to see or him. Abante no to me this is just a video for his performance a bit show or park and also or that coach Zebo decided to be a be using and then I be how what here the performance with a video there just a video but you share the performance akasa or field on the field no young say the isitie nti yenkoso na ehwe say abante no betimi aboa makotoko anim ho no no the way na say goes ho ayedin amakotoko no especially in figure ni makola said na si goes one and say the be a we say ehwe say be we sweet me abeboa ma anim ho no atimi akoyi ama Asante Kotoko a enti yen na ehwe let's hope for better kotoko ni yi mu na say nkanko ni yin na ehwe nkanko ni yin na ehwe enti say abranti Mateus baba na obetimi aboa ma goals ne say bitimi a retain last season league na yeje no bitimi defending the trophy now. Let's see near the enema besi ako afa goes ni the ebasi dia ombe yi goes wa shene ade but on the field no na ebetire ne modemo se wo ya ade na se wo nya ade eti na the enumere so me say me no be share about Asante Kotoko new striker, Brazilian striker, Mateus. Yeah. See, so I can with me. I like to pay video with me, so I share with me. I subscribe it. Now soon I share. Okay, and it will see na. Said the ablante and more mobisi ako Asante Kotoko. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Okay, this is your number one Kotoko News Arena, Asante Kotoko News.